A single human sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour, making it faster than a cheetah on the hunt. Imagine that burst of air jetting out of your nostrils at such a speed, it's like launching a mini hurricane from your face. This explosive force is why sneezes can spread germs so effectively, covering an area of up to 26 feet. Next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember you're not just sneezing, you're unleashing a high-speed biological event that outpaces the fastest land animal. So, cover your mouth and nose, because that sneeze is a force to be reckoned with.